Hello, New York. Good morning. We're getting ready. We're going to the event today where he has to attend and his student will be competing for karate tournament. Yeah, I have it in my bag. And do I have to bring the water? I think I have to bring it for you. I'll be fine. Or
have water there.
they have, sure. Okay.
Well, for me,
But for you only? Oh my gosh, this is what?
don't worry about it.
Sure?
You're not going to give me a hard time if I give my wife a bottle of water.
Should I take your hat as well? You want me? I can put this in the bag. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. Your bag is so amazing. Sobrang gamit na gamit. Thank you so much. Before, na-appreciate ko yung bag. But if I use it daily kasi guys, para akong dunya sa bag na to, guys. But then when I travel yesterday, I realized itong bag na to is really great for traveling. And I love it because it's Coach bag as well. Love Coach bag. Binalik ko yung binili ko before, yung sa Watson na tote bag na Coach. I returned it. Kasi hindi. Okay, let's go.
Where'd you put my hat?
I have it in my bag. You want it now?
It's cold outside.
How about your hands? Oh, now but
You're going to put it on me backwards.
I put it wrong. Okay, there are so many things that I don't know here, and I'm very open with that. And my husband just laughed at me. See, I'm funny person. I just didn't realize that.
No, you always were. You know that.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Pretending not to.
You're that very
Pretending not to.
bubbly,
Crazy.
grumpy.
This hotel is creepy. Ready to leave. Meron kaming free breakfast but wala na ka big time. No, they are not open, babe. Hello, New York. Hindi ko to na. Nag-film ako yesterday but it was night time. So this is how it looks like, guys. The tree is wala nang leaves. I'll just show them how nice this in the daytime. Look, I'm in New York. Can you believe it? Oh nga, Jenny. You already said it. Sobrang lamig. It's so cold. Ha ha ha. It's cold. Gabi, sobrang lamig talaga. Well, if you stay too long being outdoor, sobrang lamig talaga. But if you don't, and you have a car that has heater on, then you're fine. It's a very nice car, or however you call it, because it's 7-seater SUV. I can move this, right? More leg room. Di ba parang nasa airplane ka lang na naka-business class. Flight ka. Leg room. Sobrang linis ng car. We're heading to... Where are we going?
We're going to Hampton Inn for
Hampton.
the sayonara party.
Right, we're going to Hampton Inn. Meron silang pa-party.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Chiyoda Drive, then turn right onto Phillips Road.
Ang lamig talaga. Sobrang lamig. Ang lakas ng ulan nila dito, guys. It's raining. Heavy rain here. Sobrang lamig. We're here. Hampton Inn. Dapat pala daw dito kami nag-stay. Mali pala yung hotel na nag-stayhan namin, guys.
Just because I love you so much,
Yes,
I'm
babe.
going to drop you by the door.
Yeah, that's so sweet. Very sweet. Thank you so much. Maganda pa dito, oh. Ang ganda ng hotel na to. Hampton Inn. Dapat pa dito kami nag-stay. Okay, baby. Wow. Gusto ko magpa-picture dito but I don't know. This one is a nice tree. I wanna take photo from here. Tusan ko naman yung asawa ko, magpa-picture ako dito. Tusan ko kayo yung asawa ko. Okay, let's go. Whoa. I feel better. Ooh, they have a fireplace. Nice. That's so cool. Ganda niya na, fireplace. Where are we going then? Here? And nobody's here. We are in Walmart here in Rochester, guys. Bibili kami envelope or whatever we are going to use for his certificate para hindi masira. So, stop over lang kami dito and then we will be going to gasoline station and then balik sa hotel. Let's go, people! Dropping our car key. We are here at the airport in Rochester, guys. It's early in the morning. Walang tao dito. And where are we going? Hindi na ako nag-vlog pag labas namin ng house. Ay, ng house naman. Ng hotel, guys. Katulgon pa siya. I'm still sleepy. Nagmamadali kami. Welcome aboard. We are in the plane. I haven't vlogged inside the airport, guys. Like I said, kulang ako ng tulog. I didn't sleep very well last night. I think I only have a 3-hour sleep. And then siya yung nag-alarm. Mas nag-alarm yung kanyang phone kaysa phone ko. Mas nauna pa to nagising. Wow. Very miracle. Siya yung nauna nagising kaysa sa akin. Anyway, our flight will be 6:30 in the morning, and then we will arrive in Chicago around 7:30 in the morning, and then connecting flight to Houston. I have no idea how long will be our layover in Chicago airport. Almost 2 hours, I guess. Our layover in Chicago. So it's raining. Unfortunately, I didn't see the snow here in Rochester. It's okay. I look so very sleepy. Kailangan ko ng tulog. I need to sleep, guys. We are in United Club Lounge again. This is a different... Should I show mine? We made it. We almost didn't make it.
Oh, we had a whole 2 minutes to spare.
2 minutes running. We are in Houston na, guys. Everybody's driving so fast. Anyway, we're heading home. Hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina. I was not able to film earlier when we arrived in Houston Airport. It's okay. Because pagod ako. And we went again to United Club Lounge to eat. They have a really, really good food. I overate. You know, my tummy. I think I am like 4 pounds heavier.
Kilos.
2 kilos. Grabe. So I have
At least 2 kilos.
At least I have to walk for maybe,
Miles.
Yeah, 20 miles.
Well, not 20.
Not enough day, but
Houston is a big airport. They don't have...
Oh, we walk naman after we ate, but it's not enough. What? My husband is laughing at me. Okay, we just got home. Guys, anong oras na? 3:02 in the afternoon. Kakauwi lang namin. And yeah, like I said earlier, nag-stop over kami sa Buc-ee's. so I can buy something. And then, tumingin ako sa mug, guys. I'm like, okay, wag muna yung mug. So, may binili akong bago. Ito yung binili ko. Kasi inamoy ko siya, sobrang bango niya. Nahilig ako sa ganito, guys, by the way. Meron ako dyan, binigay ng anak ko nung December, Pasko, from Hobby Lobby. Ang bango din yan. But this one, sabi ko, ay, ang bango talaga. Ang bango talaga niya, guys. So, sa Buc-ee's, from Buc-ee's. Nakita mo yan. Alright, this one. So, Orleans Home Fragrances. Mahilig ako sa ganito. Cashmere siya, guys. This one, candle. Fragrance candle. Mahilig ako sa ganito. Hindi ko alam. Hindi naman like sobrang obsessed, but this one kasi, there's something about candle na yung mabango na amoy na gustong-gusto ko. And this one, I like it so much. Pero isa lang yung binili ko. Dapat pala dinalawa ko, pero hindi siya mura, guys. So, it's okay. Isa lang. Gusto ko siyang ilagay sa aming living area. Sobrang bango talaga niya, guys. Promise. Ang bango talaga. Parang perfume. So, bumili din ako. Nag-stop over kami. Buc-ee's somewhere. Waller. Hindi ko alam. Kasi wala pa akong ganito sa ref. So, I was like thinking na yung refrigerator namin, kasi wala kaming mga kung anik-anik na nakalagay doon sa refrigerator, diba? Gusto ko siyang punuin ng magnetic na mga places, lugar na napuntahan namin. So, yes. Sana pala bumili ako doon sa ano. Hindi ako nakabili. Ay, sana pala bumili ako sa Chicago. Wala akong nabili sa Chicago na ganito. Dapat bumili ako. So, ayan. Para sa ating refrigerator. And then, before we leave New York, Rochester, New York, earlier. So, meron kami nadaanan na shopping center out there as well na nagbebenta ng mga goodies. Mga souvenir, etc. So, naisip ko yung kids and I was like, oh, this one is good. Especially na pa-winter na dito. Hindi to sobrang makapal. But yung dalawa kasi, ayaw nila yung makakapal na sinusuot sa school. So, and then mahilig si Nicole, especially Nicole. Well, actually, she started to like it. Yung mga oversized na mga sweater, mahilig yung dalawa. So, binili ko to, guys. This one, Rochester, New York. Oh, meron kaming from New York, Rochester. Yan. Jacket sa airport. Ito. And then, ito, I think this one is size medium. So, kay Nicole yan. And then, ito yung kay Ashley. Same lang sila. But yung color lang, gray yung kay Ashley. Kay Nicole is beige. Beige. But, kay Ashley here. Oh. Is that cute? Cute niya, no? Rochester, New York. Hindi na ako bumili for myself. Kasi, itong dalawa pa lang, guys. Mahal na. So, pag na lang, ibigay na lang natin yan sa kids. Meron naman akong candle. So, okay na ako sa candle. And then, meron akong ito din. Magnetic para sa ating refrigerator. I just wanted to anong tawag ito? I just wanted to collect magnetic thing for our refrigerator. So, maganda to. I think I have two. Yung binigay ni Ma'am Ami from New York. Meron dyan. And then, yung Philippines na binigay ni Ate Marilyn sa akin. Binigyan niya ako nung jeepney na magnetic. Andyan. So, Philippines and New York pa lang. So, unti-unti tayong lagay ng mga places na napuntahan natin. So, ito. Actually, I was thinking na yung i-collection ko sana is mug. So, each state or city na pinupuntahan ko, gusto ko may mug ako. But then, wala akong place na lalagyan ba? Pwede naman siguro, no? Bibili ako ng shelf for mug. Pero ang mug kasi mas mahal siya compared sa magnetic. So, magnetic na lang. Okay, barato. Okay lang. Dito, $4. This one, mahal. 8. Oh. This one is 5. But it's okay. put that there. Dapat pala bumili ako sa Chicago. Sayang. But anyway, that's it lang naman. Yung mga kids, si Nicole ayun, nag-snack doon. Si Ashley is naliligo. Kasi they have school tomorrow. And I'm not sure if we have a very long vlog already for today and yesterday. But then, I think I will be ending it here. Kasi tatapusin ko i-edit yung isang vlog na yung flight pa New York, guys. Para ma-upload ko na yun. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.